Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the WinPlus ultraviolet sterilizer box. There is an image, or rather an illustration of what the sterilizer box is going to look like right on the box, right over here. Outside that, there is very little information. Over here, some features have been listed. For instance, size is 226 by 125 by 53 millimeters. Internal capacity is 6.5 liters. Input current is 2 amperes and fragrance output is 1 watt. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go. This is what the sterilizer box looks like. It has this white and grey color scheme going on over here. It's made out of plastic, but this is solid plastic. This will not break or tear easily. Inside we have an instruction manual. Over here it's written, there's a lot of information over here actually. It has a diagram of how to power it on, power it off. There's a lot of warnings, safety precautions, etc, etc, and also the features are mentioned over here as well. Okay. So there's a small how-to listed over here. Plug in the micro USB cable to the front port of the device. Open the case and place your personal belongings. Watch your smartphone's keys into the box. Make sure the box is completely closed. Begin sanitizing by pressing the on button found on the left side outside the box. So the idea is that you can put any device that you want over here, say a watch or something like that. Let's put it in over here. You can close the lid and then sanitize. This is too big for this particular box, unfortunately. Right, what else can we put here? So I have some keys here. The idea is that you put it over here and then you power it on. This box will utilize ultraviolet lights, ultraviolet rays to sterilize the device or the object that you put inside. So I'm going to give this a shot. I'm going to connect it to a power source. In this case, it's my laptop, like so. And this is powered on, as you can see. I'm going to click on. I'm currently at 25%. So how long am I supposed to do this? Okay, the charging process will take 5 minutes. Okay, so what you did not hear were 3 beeps. Once the sterilization process was done, this particular box made 3 beeping noises. So that's basically tells you that the sterilization is now over. I'm going to click on off and disconnect it. There you heard that. You hear something as similar as that. Disconnect it for good measure. And there you go. My house keys are now completely sterilized. Okay. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the WinPlus ultraviolet sterilizer box. Thank you for watching.